All right, you're ready to see the picks and shovels. This is the hottest marketing system on the planet. It's called the Conversion Pros. It's actually worldwide. We have people from all over the world using it. All the top 6- and 7-figure earners out there in the industry are using it because it allows you to do unlimited pages, unlimited capture pages, unlimited video pages, autoresponders, email broadcasters, tracking pixels, social media buttons, URL tracking, TinyURLs, all kinds of cool stuff we're going to show you. Instead of talking about it, I might as well show you. Let's get going. So I'm going to log in the back office here. As soon as you're in the back office, you have a complete marketing suite full of tools. And I'm going to just go through a few of these tools and show you how cool they are. First thing is, if you want to get leads, we also have leads that you can order, and we show you how to get leads too, but I'll get into that in the next video. But I'm just going to show you some of the cool tools here. So for example, our landing page builder is not like anything else out there. Most landing page builders are pretty lame. They give you these templates that you have to stick to that you really can't customize that good, or they're very technical. And ours don't do that. So for example, I clicked on our templates. You'll see that some have a background, some are opalescent. You can scroll down here. Some have 2 buttons. Some have videos, okay? And we have all these cool templates for you. So let me just pull up one and show you the possibilities that you can do for your business to make money. Again, okay, so I pulled up this template right here. I'm going to show you how easy this is, and there's no technical skill. You know, a lot of these things are really technical for most people, and they hate it. So the first thing we would do here is we would name the page. So example, I just say make money. And I do make money. Okay. And then what we're going to do here is we have what we call a choose image background. Well, we have tons of images that are built in here for you. So maybe you're in a travel business and you want to do a travel background. We got tons of those. Maybe you're doing something with mobile shopping or mobile. We have textures. We have cities. Again, all I'm doing is pressing my mouse button one time. Maybe you're in Forex or stock market. One button is all I'm doing, click, and it changes. So again, there's no technical skills whatsoever. You don't have to sit here and think you have to know anything. Maybe you're doing something with real estate. Again, cool texture backgrounds. Let me just see what else we have in here. We have so many. Lots of people love these because it's just one click. We have the money. We have the cool textures that you can use. We have luxury cars. We have gold. We have cash. We have credit cards if you're doing like a fixed bag credit deal or shopping. Again, luxury cars, more travel, weight loss. We have wood grain backgrounds. We have fitness. We just have cool backgrounds. We have coffee if you're in a coffee deal. We have makeup. We have cruises. We have makeup and eyelashes, luxury cars, the gym. Again, you name it, we got it. And some really fun backgrounds back here. Again, all I'm doing is click on my mouse one time. But here's the fun thing, is if you don't like any of these backgrounds, guess what? You don't have to use them. Let's say you want to go to Google and you're in a business. Let's say you want to show lifestyle. So you want to do luxury car. So you type in luxury car. And Google has all kinds of pictures. You would just click on images, and there's all kinds of great pictures of luxury cars here. So let's say you wanted to make one of these the background of your page. Let's say you like this one right here, okay? All you do is copy the image address. You come back over here to the Conversion Pros. We have what we call Provide Background. One click of the mouse, you paste and hit Enter, and automatically you got this as the background of your page. Well, maybe you're in a travel deal and you want a beach. So I just type in beach in Google. I mean, we already have some awesome ones built in, but if you want one of these instead, no problem. You just go over here, watch this, hit Provide Background. All I'm doing is copying and pasting here, no technical skill. And then you have a beach. Okay, you could do endless possibilities. So what's great about this is while everybody's using the same exact page, you could be popping off pages. You get unlimited pages, and you can take any background you want. Now, let me show you how cool this is. So I can click over here, and I could hit Edit Text. So I'm going to just hit backspace like I would, like I'm using a word processor, and say, we pay you to take vacations. All right? And then I can come over here and check this out. If I want to change it, the color of it, here's this box here. I'm going to show you. I can change the font. I can make it bigger or smaller just by sliding a little slider. Let's say I want to make that this Caribbean bluish green right here. I can find it right here. Check this out. Not only can you go up and down the color block here, but you can actually move it all around so you can find that perfect color that you want. Hit choose, and then you have that. So then let's say I want to edit the next line of text. We pay to take luxury vacations. Get paid thousands to be treated like a VIP. Now, again, this could be, look, I'm going to change it to white. This could be a skincare or a weight loss. It doesn't matter. I'm just showing you the example here because this actually works for any company, any product, any service. So you can have a background shadow here. And I can look and see how it's changing. It's kind of popping off the page a little bit more. You can even do things like this. You can have a background box if you want it to stand out, and you could even do like italicized, just like that. And then I could come down here. Let's say I don't want any of this text here. I could just delete it with my mouse. I could write this and then say, just edit the text. What this says again, I'm just typing. It's so easy. Just watch our presentation. And then what we did here, I like using all caps, by the way, just watch our presentation. Okay, now watch this. Let's say I don't want this text. I'm going to go down here. Maybe I want that text instead. So you can actually change the text around, make it a little bit more fun. And then I got this button here that's yellow. Well, I don't want it yellow. I want to change it. I just click on it, click the background. Let's make it that Caribbean blue color. How about that? It has a shadow. I'm just going to change it. Shadow out to black. Okay, like that. And let's change the text there. Instead of having it white, let's make it black so it just pops off the page a little bit. And let's say you don't like what the button says. So you don't want take a free tour. You want click here instead. You can do click here. It doesn't matter. So everything's 100% customizable. Now check this out. Let's say you don't want to capture name, email, and phone number like right here. Let's say you just want to get name and email. We have a form. You just click simple. There you're collecting name and email. Maybe you don't want to form at all. That's okay. You can hit none and do that. So you could build out this page any way you want it, any background, any words, any colors, any font, anything you want. Now here's a couple other features. Number one, we have a built-in autoresponder, so you could connect it. You could create an autoresponder that has a series of messages and have it go out. If you want to use a third party like Aweber or GetResponse, you can do that too. We also have video backgrounds, which I'm going to show you in a minute here, but check this out. See where it says connect with us on social media? You can actually click on social media and add your Facebook, your Twitter, your Pinterest, your Instagram. So if somebody might not want to opt in, they might want to follow you on one of the social networks where you can add those to your pages really easy. We also have something, if you're familiar with something called tracking pixels, well, we have some SEO, but we also have tracking code where if you want to use a tracking pixel, you can actually just put that tracking pixel right there and use tracking pixels on these pages as well. Now check this out. We have super cool video backgrounds built in. So I want to show you here. I want to just come up here. We have a bunch of video backgrounds that you can use. So let's say you're trying to do this travel deal. Let me find people on the beach. So I take this here. I come over and I could just press a code in a box and hit save. Oh, hit save. And let's see what happens. So now you can actually have video backgrounds as well as static backgrounds. And again, we have all these different backgrounds that you can use. So you can take any picture, any text you want, any video, and you can actually use videos off of YouTube. So check this out. I'm going to go take a YouTube video here that I found about Atlantis, the hotel in Atlantis. I'm going to take the code from the YouTube video and hit save lander. Watch this. And this is a person walking through the Atlantis Hotel. So maybe you're in a travel deal and you want to say, hey, look. So these pages get to be very, very dynamic, okay? And you can do a lot of cool things. Well, let me show you a couple other things that you can do with the Conversion Pros, and show you. Then I'm going to show you a bunch of examples here of what we've done. So we also have pages. Well, if you click on the landing page builder, maybe you want to do a video capture page. Okay, maybe you have a great video and you want to do a video capture page. Well, we have all kinds of templates here that you can do that with. So let's say I want to grab, let's see, any of these. We got a ton of them. So let's say I want to do this one here. Okay, I could go to YouTube and grab any video. Okay, so let's say this was my video that I wanted to use. I literally just copy the code here. I go back to the video page. Watch this. I'm going to paste this here. Watch this. When I hit this button, watch how long it takes for that video to go from YouTube into the page. Ready? Go. It's already there. So let's say this is a capture page that I wanted to create. Again, I can choose my image if I want to choose a different background here. I could instantly just click a button one time and the background changes. Or I could go to Google and add a background. No problem. Change all the text, what it says, change all this, change the button color. Again, if I only want to capture name and email, I can. If I don't want to capture anything and make it a landing page, I can. And again, it's 100% customizable. So you can take any video. This could be your company's videos. It could be a video that you shot. Doesn't matter. You could change it. You could change the color of the text, the font, the size. All this stuff, 100% customizable with the Conversion Pros. And that's why everybody loves this system, because it's so hot. Let me show you some of the examples that people are building on our pages. For example, here's a skincare page someone's created. This one's about making money. Here's another one about working online. Here's a video capture page, just like we just talked about with the video, with a cool background here. That video actually loads. You know, we have people making weight loss pages, people doing makeup and eyelashes. A lot of people have car programs, and they launch with a car program page. This is one of our dual. We actually have pages where you could do 2 videos or 3 videos on one page. I'm going to show you some of those. So you can actually have pages. Those are video capture pages. These are static capture pages. That's a cool travel page right there. Cool shopping page. And you can even brand yourself. So you can even take a picture of yourself, literally make it the background of your page and tell people, hey, I want it to work with you. We actually have training videos on how to do this. People pay big, big money to learn how to brand themselves. Well, you don't need to pay big money with the Conversion Pros. We're going to show you how to do it. This is a great video page right here with the fire background. One for the ladies right there. Again, the sky's the limit. Your creativity is the only thing that will stop you here. So all these pages, again, the colors, the text, everything's interchangeable. Let me show you some actually live pages here. I'm just going to pull them up. So we give you subdomains too, so you don't need to go out and get domains unless you want to. But I'm going to click on our landing page builder. I'm going to go to some of the pages that we've created here. Let me just go back up one page just to show you how cool some of these pages are. So one of the things that a lot of people are doing, like the range, like here's a vacation page here, you know, for people that are doing vacation deals. Here's a Range Rover page. I think I just showed you how it comes up. Then you have what we call landing pages. So, for example, you could actually launch this page here, and when somebody puts in their name, email, and phone number, or clicks on take a tour, you can send them over to, let's say, an overview page that you've done. So, for example, here is a overview page that we've done. Reload that there. Here's an overview page that we've done on a coffee deal, and what they did is they posted their webinar video, and then they posted a testimonial video right after that, and then they posted a compensation plan. So what they do is they lead with the capture page, and then they come to a page like this that has 3 different videos for people to watch about their company. They put their name and their phone number, and then when they click here, it takes them to their corporate site. So they pre-sell people on the reason to join their company before they get to that corporate site. Let me show you some of the other pages here.
Hey, this is Jay.
Here's another guy that did he wanted to do a presentation on his business, and he had 3 different videos that walk people through the reason they should join the company. And again, they put their name and phone number, got that cool concrete looking background back there. It looks extremely expensive. It looks extremely high end. And so you can do pages like that. We also have pages like this.
All right, and we're here with another one of our.
Refresh, you make that big.
All right, and we're here with another one.
So we have a landing page here that they put a video, and then they can click on this button and go right to the corporate website after they watch this video. You got the cool cash in the background. And again, these look high end. They look expensive. You can change the colors, the backgrounds. Everything is 100% customizable. Works with any company, any product, any service. Let's show you some other ones here. This was a travel deal. And on this travel deal, here, here we go. So what they did is we loaded a video background on this page because they're talking about travel. So we actually, if you look at the background, you got palm trees that are flying in the background, and then we got a couple of videos here on what they want to know about the company. So that one's cool. We have this one here. Check this out. It's a cool landing page, and you got this Lamborghini flying through the desert here. Okay, look, the orange color matches the Lamborghini. Again, all this is 100% customizable, and the Conversion Pros, the social networking links right here that people can click and join the person's social networks. How about this one for people in weight loss? Get six-pack abs without ever doing a sit-up. Well, you got a girl doing a sit-up. If you want to get awesome conversion rates, when your background actually matches your ad copy, you're going to do this. So this works great with all kinds of weight loss businesses. We've also just added, these are super cool.
Kevin, we're here.
We added a 2-page landing page. So let's say this is your video here, and then you could say, okay, I want you to go buy a product, click on this button, and we'll go to one website, and then you say, join the business, go here, and they could go to another website. So we actually have templates now that you can actually add 2 buttons to go to 2 different websites. And again, look at the video background that's in the background of this video here. I actually matched it with what's going on here. So you can actually take video backgrounds that match, what the videos you're doing. Again, you can do all this on the Conversion Pros. And let's just look at one more here. Okay, that's the one I already kind of showed you here with the Atlantis background. Again, the sky's the limit. It's very easy to do. There's 100% no technical skills here inside the Conversion Pros. Now, let me show you something cool. You'll see that every page has what we call Get Code next to it. Well, if you're a leader, or if you're using a page and you start bringing people on in your team and you want them to use the same page, let me show you something. First of all, we have landing pages here with all kinds of different businesses already set up. So let's say you're in a business that does legal service. Let me just take this code here. Well, let's say you shared it with a person on your team. You created a page and you handed them a code. All they do is come over here. They take the code that you give them. They press paste, hit copy page. It says page has been copied. So let's go look what happened. I scroll down. I find the page. It says, oh, lawyer 1. So I actually click on this. And there's a page for the lawyer. It's already built. The person did not have to do anything. We have share codes built in that you can actually make pages and share it with your team, and it will automatically copy the page for them. Now, if they want to edit that page, they can edit it and go from there. But we have share codes that allow them to do that. Now, we also have what we call an autoresponder built in, where you could take an autoresponder and you could write as many messages as you want to. So you could come over here and you could have, I'm just going to click on message list, as many messages that you want to create. We also give you share codes for these. So after you set up an autoresponder, we have some generic ones. So I can click on autoresponders here. And let's say I wanted a generic business opportunity autoresponder. Okay? I click on autoresponder. I can click on add. I'm just going to say web over. I'm going to name it. I'm going to hit save. I can click on message list. Now, if I want to write my own, I could just click add, and I could just write any amount of messages that I want in any order that I want, as many as I want. Or if I click on, let's go back here. Whoop. I'm going to show you. We have it so, what happened? Okay, we have it so you got a share code. So if you wanted to share, let's say you had a series of messages that you liked and you wanted your entire team to use it, you would give them a code. Watch this, copy messages. It says 14 messages have been copied. All the messages are right here. So we have messages already built in that are for generic in different industries. If you want to use the messages that we have, if you want to write your own, you can. And, or you could share it with your team. So with the share codes, you can share pages with your team or autoresponders with your team. Now, what's also cool about this system is, let's say you already had a list and you wanted to send them out. Let's say you're doing a webinar today. Well, you could pick whatever list you want, like we just did some web over. We could, let's say we had 1,000 people on this list and I wanted to email them all today. I could say webinar at 3 p.m. today. And then I could write an email with all the details right in this box. I could even add pictures and things to it and click send now, and it will send out an immediate message to everybody on this list. So maybe they're getting the autoresponder messages, but at times you're going to want to be able to actually send out a message because you have something upcoming. You could do that using our easy email broadcaster. All of your leads will go into what we call a contact manager, and on the contact manager you're going to be able to see, this is just a fake one here, so this will be good to show. Click at it. You'll be able to see with their name, their email, their phone number, and you can even make notes here. I tried to call them at 3 o'clock today and hit save. So next time you get back in here and you want to contact that lead, you know what you said. Check this out. You'll be able to check out all your mail campaigns. You'll be able to see what mail campaign they're on. Let's say you wanted to add them to another campaign. I could click add and take that person and immediately put them on another mail campaign or remove them from any email campaign. Very, very easy to do. We got tons of tools back here in the Conversion Pros. We just wanted to give you a quick overview of some of them and show you what you can get. Now go to the next video. The next video we're going to show you all of our training that we have, how you can buy leads, all kinds of cool things. And we look forward to showing you that video and showing you more about the Conversion Pros marketing